When this girl grabbed a spray can and started painting her window, people thought she had officially lost it. But as she layered the colors and pressed random objects onto the glass, she revealed the final result. And nobody was ready for how shocking it turned out. I'll show you, but wait.
Tap the like button, click subscribe, then share and tap the copy link, and you will see this amazing